Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Fidamad and I provide tips and insight about AI, teaching, research, and personal development. Are you still using PowerPoint and making presentations? Stop it today because PowerPoint presentations are quite boring, visually less attractive, and it takes a lot of time. Today, I'm going to show you 5 free AI tools that will make a stunning presentation in less than 5 minutes. So these presentations have eye visuals, infographics, icons, and important transitions. So are you ready? Let's go to the screen and see how this tool works and how we can make presentation with AI in less than 5 minutes. So in order to access Gamma, first go to Gamma AI and click Create New. Choose Generate with AI and enter your topic, outline, or simple prompt describing the presentation you want. So Gamma AI will generate automatically slides with contents, layout, visuals, and design elements. So number 4, review the generated slides and edit the text, images, themes, or layout according to your needs. Next, add more visuals, chart, icons, or AI generated contents if required to make your presentation more engaging. Once your slides are ready, export the presentation as a PDF or PowerPoint file or present it directly within the Gamma AI. For making presentation in Kimi, just go to the Kimi AI by searching it on Google. Enter your presentation topic, outline, or simply prompt asking Kimi to create a presentation slides on your topic. The Kimi will generate a structured slide content including titles, key points, and suggested visuals for your presentation. Review the generated contents and refine your slides by editing the text, adding visuals, or adjusting the structure according to your needs. Copy the generated slides into PowerPoint, Canva, Google Slides, or apply design, animations, and branding. Once finalized, export your presentation as a PPT, PDF file, or you can use it in your class, meeting, or presentation directly within Kimi. So Canva is a very powerful tool which can help you in doing many tasks, including presentations, preparing documents, posters, and you can also make videos and other important and appealing contents. Canva, first go to Canva, open it and create a new design and select the Canva AI or Magic Design. Enter your presentation topic, outline, or simply prompt about the topic. The Canva will automatically generate presentation slides with designs, visuals, icons, and formatted contents. Review the generated slides and customize the text, templates, color, images, and animation according to your needs. You can also add charts, figure, and icons and other 3D models within your presentation. Once you have done, you can download your presentation as a PPT or a PDF file, and you can also present it directly within the Canva. Our next AI tool for making presentation is Claude AI, and to make presentation in the Claude, just go to the Claude AI and start a new chat. Enter your presentation topic, outline, or a simple prompt asking Claude to create a presentation on your topic. For example, we are trying the role of AI in research or global warming or any topic of your interest. Number 3, the Claude will generate structured slides content including slide titles, key points, summaries, and the presentation flow. Importantly, you can connect the Claude with Canva. Once your presentation is ready, you can also edit it within the Canva by clicking the Edit in Canva. So the Claude will automatically redirect you to the Canva where you can edit your presentation and change the colors and add graphics and visuals as your need. So once your presentation is ready, you can make it a PowerPoint or a PDF or present it within the Canva. So today we have discussed 5 important AI tools through which you can make a stunning presentation in less than 5 minutes. And if you like today's video, just subscribe to our channel, like it and share it, and stay tuned for the next one. So see you in the next video.